Come on.
Papaya and the turkey.
Wave. Hi, everybody. Hi. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
To make this slime recipe, you'll need a stirring utensil, some baking soda, a measuring cup, a teaspoon, some contact solution, spooky mix-ins, some school glue, a bowl, and some food coloring. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when you're making the slime is you're going to take your cup of warm water and you're going to put a teaspoon of baking soda in it.
Can I help?
Sure can.
Can I dump it out?
There you go, yep. Bit. Woo!
Can I mix it?
And now you mix. So you can't grab the bowl. There you go.
Done.
So we're going to take our baking soda water and we're going to dump it in our bowl. Okay, now you're going to pour your school glue into your measuring cup and we're going to measure out 1 1/4 cup of glue.
Can I help?
Of course you can. There we go. We gotta pay attention. Whoa. Get enough? Do we have enough?
Yeah.
All right, I think we have enough. So you take it. You want to help me pour?
Sure.
Pour it into the water. All done. Good. Now we're going to, yes. We're going to slowly. Go ahead and mix. I'm going to help you. Mixing. I think we're good. Now we're going to add some spooky colors.
Spooky colors.
Spooky! So we're going to use this green gel food coloring, but you know what? It's your slime. You do you. Do whatever you want. But we're going to use this. Here, you stir.
Misty the green. All
All right, now there's a bunch of little like chunkies left in there, and that's okay. You're just going to mix that in later. So I need you to keep stirring, and I'm gonna add our activator. We are using some contact solution today. I think the most that you can use is probably a tablespoon, but you're supposed to add like a little tiny bit at a time until you see it start to form. So we're just gonna keep squirting until we get there. All right, here we go. Squirt. Now squirt. Stir it up. Stir it up. Good. A little bit more. Stir it.
I'm gonna do it.
Keep stirring.
Mix it.
All right, so it's forming a little bit, but I think we could use a little bit more. Squeeze.
Can I help her?
Yes, you have a turn. Now you stir. Mix.
How green?
It's green and spooky.
Green and spooky.
Green and spooky.
Green and spooky.
Stir this for like ever. You just keep going.
Now help her?
Yeah, you have a turn. Keep going. It's all right. At this point in the recipe, you're going to want to stir for quite a few minutes. It takes kind of a long time to get to the next point. About here. It's when the slime starts to pull away from the sides of the dish. You can see by all the air bubbles in there that we're not trying to do crystal clear slime today. We're just trying to get it to a point where we can play with it. My slime was a little too sticky, so I decided to put in a little more activator. A lot of people would advise against that because it's really easy to put in too much activator and you're not able to play with it. So be really careful if you decide to squirt in some more activator at this stage. All right, if your slime looks like this, you're ready to put some spooky mixers in it. You want to poke it? Oh, ding dong. So which one do you want to mix in first?
This.
These? Let's show everybody what it is. We have some black stars that we found at the dollar store. Here, you pour it in. Pour them in. We poured them in.
Can I mix them up?
Yes, let's mix it up together. Ready, set, go. So you fold it, fold it, fold it. Okay. Okay, Turkey, which do you want to mix in next?
This.
All right, let's show everybody what it is.
Body.
Buggies. We got a bunch of plastic bugs that we found at the dollar store. You can put in plastic spiders. You can put in whatever you want.
Can I dump them out?
But oh yeah, let me get those in. Let's mix them in. Oh no.
It's very nasty.
I know. Want to do the eyeballs or the glitter?
Use the eyeballs.
Next are the eyeballs. We also got from the dollar store.
No,
Alright, you do it then. Alright, let's mix it.
Ew.
Next is going to be the glitter. This is just craft glitter.
Can I use the glitter?
You can, but I got this one at Target because it was a little more than $1. I'm scared. I don't want it to explode. Oh. Ah, it's gonna pop. Yeah. Nope. Oh! Did it come? It did come out.
Still pop.
All right. Well, it has glitter in it now.
Yeah. Oh no!
Mix it.
This is fun. This is fun to play.
I love this. Very satisfying.
It's very satisfying.
All right, put your hands in there. I'll fix it, and then I'm gonna put it on the board so you can play with it. Ready? You wanna help me stretch it out?
Sure. Let's stretch it.
No!
I got you!
Are you gonna save him?
I told dragonfly I will save him.
You're gonna save him? Why can you save me from certain death?
Get that slime off. You
You get that slime off me? Oh, thank you. I can't thank you enough. Oh no, here's a slime wave! Wow! Like shiny. Good poke, good poke, good poke.
Get out.
Now stretch it out, sure.
Let's make a pizza.
You want to make a pizza? Oh, I got an idea. Eyeballs on a plate. And then when we're all ready, we can decorate our pizza with our pepperoni eyeballs. How appetizing.
Now this one.
Mmm, tasty eyeball pepperonis. Oh, yum. Can't wait to eat this. It's gonna be so good. Here we go. Oh. Here we go. Tasty pizza, tasty pizza. Oh, tasty pizza. I can't wait to eat it. That's it. That's our recipe for Halloween slime.
And play it.
You could totally play with it, but you have to say thank you to everybody. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe if you want to see more fun things to do with kids. Bye, everybody. Happy Halloween.
Happy